you guys, it's your girl CC. Welcome back to another vlog. Yes, we're camping again. I'm actually waiting for the boys to pull in because me and the kids, well, me and the girl child and the baby kid drove up separately. So stay tuned, it should be a fun one. The boys should be pulling up any minute now. Here they come. So first thing that happened is someone left the dampers on the floor in the bathroom. So it's still everywhere. So we're getting that up. Okay, leave it alone. And then we're gonna get unpacked. So far, camping 1, Chapman's 0. Alright y'all, so Babe and Gabe are setting up outside. Soraya was helping me in the inside, but she kind of ditched me. But the first thing that I like to do is make sure my air filters are clean. So I just cleaned those. Let me show y'all. I just cleaned those. So they're clean. You gotta make sure what you're breathing in is good quality air. And then I just finished cleaning out the Berkey. So as soon as we're hooked up to water, we can get that situated. Next is set up the ice machine because it's not camping without ice if you got it. So we got it, and I'm gonna set it up. Still setting up, y'all, but Soraya's organizing the games so we can find them easily this weekend. Should have did this before we left last camping trip, but it's okay, we're getting it done now. But let me tell y'all how disrespectful these mosquitoes is. They done bit my baby on her mouth. Look like she got punched in the mouth. You mad at the mosquitoes too though?
Absolutely. I was fighting for my life on the way to the bathroom.
Fighting for your life. Should have just used the bathroom in the camper. How, if you had to rate the bathhouse facilities on a 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
It's like a 7 or 8. There's some bugs in there, but I think that's just because people leave the door open.
Okay. So it's not just the bugs, it's the cups too.
Yes.
Look at them.
Everybody is out to get me. Everything is out to get me.
Alright you guys, so it's a couple hours later. The boys, everything is all set up outside. Everything is pretty much all set up inside, but one of my camping rules and camping hacks for you guys too is that the first night's dinner is always an easy dinner. So tonight we're having tacos, keeping it simple. So I've cut up tomatoes, cilantro, onions, and I'm about to get this on the Blackstone. We'll have some good tacos and chill for the rest of the evening because the first night setting up and breaking down is always takes the longest, and it's always the most like stressful day. So I like to do like a quick little easy meal, get it out the way. So my meat wasn't really cooking, y'all. So Babe is checking out the propane to make sure that wasn't the issue. It might have to be a pizza night till we figure it out. Babe, say it. Her use.
Meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on
We got visitors. Hey, what's up, Curtis? Hi.
Baby, don't check for me.
The brother-in-law is back, and my sister is back. So I guess these are our camping friends with no camper. So we're about to eat. Well, everybody ate dinner, but of course, you know, the chef is late to last. So So I'm about to eat dinner.
It was good though.
And chill. The kids about to play football and just do whatever.
Personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. Look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be.
Good morning, you guys, and what a beautiful morning it is. Tootie is inside eating oatmeal. There are bunnies, but they're at other people's campsite, so I won't show you them, but there's bunnies here. It's like a beautiful morning, and if you have an electric car and you're camping, you can charge your car and not have to worry about it. I'm about to get started on breakfast. It is a cooking with me in the RV breakfast, so make sure you guys check that out. I also wanted to say thank you so much to everybody that has subscribed, left a comment, sent an email, all of those things. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. But yeah, stay tuned. You don't like that?
I'll do it.
You want to do it? Go over there with Daddy. Babe is finally putting his drone to good use. So maybe you guys will get some drone footage on his channel, and I'll try to include some on my channel. But there he is.
I want to do it.
Also, I only need one. Maybe if I can turn it
I want to do it, Daddy.
on. Huh? You want to do it? Right, hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Do it.
I'm going to show you.
We just finished breakfast. I think we are about to take a walk around, let it digest for a minute, and then it's really hot out here. I think we're actually about to take a trip to Lowe's. and get a fan because, baby, it has cooled down a little bit. It is September, so it's cooled down a little bit, but it's still hot. So we're about to go to Lowe's, try to get a box fan for outside just to cool off a little bit, and then hang out. I think today's gonna be a pool day for sure. You're gonna stick your feet in the water? Well, we are back from the pool, but we definitely have company, and I'm so excited about it. Y'all haven't seen them in a long time. Since what happens in Mexico stays in Mexico. But they're here. It's my best friend Brittany. And my best friend-in-law Thomas. You know, he's a shy one. Don't worry about that.
You weren't even looking. You didn't even look.
So I'm cooking burgers. Smash burgers on the grill. We got one vegetarian. So morning burgers on the grill as well. Keep that separate, no contamination. Who you know. One turkey burger because we gotta no beef eater. I ain't gonna say no names, but she's got on orange. And yeah, so should be a good time. Come check back in with y'all later. Babe and his big old Corona.
What kind of Corona is that?
You're not familiar?
I'm not. Last Corona.
Tavares, stop. No, why you want to wait? You didn't even hit it in the fire.
Hey, yo, crazy tail finna reach your hand in there.
Try help. But there you go. Look at this.
Yeah, Tavares, you had to put it in the middle.
I was close.
You was nowhere near close, bro.
You recording?
Yeah.
First must have been tired as hell. You got the whole thing in there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God. I don't want them to come with some different color.
Alright, you guys. So, first things first. This park offers complimentary breakfast. So, let's go see what the kids are eating. Which I had this morning. Waffles. Orange juice. Grayson didn't want no more oatmeal. He want the pancakes now. So yeah, I'm about to make my breakfast and I'll see y'all in a little bit.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying.
Okay, you guys, so breakfast is done. We're having biscuits, eggs, and bacon with breakfast mimosas because it is 11:17. And after breakfast, I'll take you guys on a tour of this campground. Amen. We're gonna use this syrup on our biscuits that we made yesterday. All right, y'all, so I'm getting ready to take y'all on a tour of Raleigh Oaks campground. Let's go.
I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up,
got a seating area. You can come hang out.
You always posting up pictures.
And it has a
trying to look
pool.
like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me.
Pool
Faking your
area.
life for the IG.
I think this is just one of the pool areas. With it has ping pong in the back, a set of bathhouses, and then let's see what else they have.
I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working.
All right, y'all, so we have showed you the park. We have hung out with friends with you guys. We have cooked. We have swam. We have did all the things, and tomorrow we're going home. But right now I'm cooking dinner. I just made some lava flows. Make sure y'all check out that recipe coming soon. So yeah, let me know if you guys are enjoying these cooking with me in the RV videos. Let me know if you guys are enjoying Raleigh Oaks. I'm cooking chicken right now, so let me show y'all that. We've got some chicken on the grill. I'm gonna get started on my sides. So we have enjoyed Raleigh Oaks. It's been a good time, a good little, it's a low key. If you're looking for a quiet, fun, family oriented, Raleigh Oaks is the place to go. We've thoroughly enjoyed our time here. We've met some great people. So shout out to the Glovers. Hey y'all. And yeah, we just been having a ball. So we're gonna cook dinner, eat, and pack it up for the night because we're headed out in the morning. So I'm gonna end the video here. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.